Hello there, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'll be doing the unboxing for our September Hat of the Month Club. Ta-da! Comes in a red box like always. Those of you who are members of the Hat of the Month Club should already have received your boxes. Now someone once asked me, why are you actually doing an unboxing if you don't have any more to sell, if you're sold out? Well, the reason we do that is so that people who haven't seen what comes in a Hat of the Month Club can actually look, see what's in previous months and say, hey, that's something I want to join, or hey, that's not really my cup of tea. So let's see what's in this box of the month, and I do believe we still have a few left. First of all, in all of our boxes, we try to put a little smile on your face, so we have a little joke or a little riddle. And this time we have a question. It says, which country is home to the world's largest piano? The answer, of all things, is New Zealand. It says the 5.7 meter Alexander piano began construction in 2004 by then 15-year-old Adrian Mann. Wow, a 15-year-old. Anyways, its keys are nearly 1 meter long each. New Zealand is also where Haiku Kensington is produced. And that's probably going to give us a little hint as to what kind of yarn we're going to be using this month. So let's see what else is in here. Ooh, Laffy Taffy. I always try to give you a little sweet tooth or something crunchy, and this time it looks like they chose Laffy Taffy. Good thing I didn't eat this before I started talking. I wouldn't be able to chew and talk at the same time. Also, what's this? Oh, wow, look at this. This is actually a bracelet with stitch markers. That's pretty cool. Oh, and it has a little hook to hook all the stitch markers on. And these stitch markers, they have little title or little initials on them, like BO for, I guess, bind off, SSK, slip, slip, knit, YO, yarn over, PM, place marker. Can't forget that one, knit two together. Isn't that cool? So how many stitch markers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 stitch markers and a bracelet to keep them on, or a ring. You don't have to wear it as a bracelet, but at least you keep them all on a ring. All in a nice little tin. Very, very nice. Now there's gotta be some kind of yarn in here. And there is. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is a lovely color. Look at this. Of course, Haiku Kensington. We guessed right once we read the joke. Haiku Kensington, made in New Zealand. See the NZ in there, Kensington? That's right, made in New Zealand, 60% merino wool, 25% nylon, 10% alpaca, and 5% silk. And it has 208 yards on this 100-gram hank. Really great for knitting hats, and they actually get knit quite quickly. So this month's hat is actually called the Road Tripper, and it was created by Katie Rempe. And of course, you're going to get your download code from Ravelry, so you can add it to your library. And for those of you who'd like to see what the hat looks like, this is it. This is your Day Tripper hat. It's a slouch beanie, so it's perfect if you like slouch beanies yourself, or a lot of young people do like their slouch beanies. And it looks like it's all in either, well, very simple stitches, nothing fancy to worry about. I think this could be a quick knit, considering the size of the yarn and the pattern. So this is pretty great. That is your Sock of the Month Club for the month of September. We are getting ready for October's. I sort of know what's in it because I designed the hat for next month. So I'm hoping we get more people to join on in, and we will see you next month with another unboxing for our Hat of the Month Club. Thank you.